Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off space updates on your Quora app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Quora app. So just go up here, you click here on this picture here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you just go down here, you click here on settings, then you come to settings video here, just switching to show for you like this, and you click here on email notifications. So then it's going to take you here in this window, you just click here on push notifications, and you waiting to show for you like this, and you just click here on spaces here, then it's going to take you here in this window. So all you have to do now, just come here to space updates, you will click here on this sign or this color, and like you see now color it's gone, that means space updates it's on off now. I wish know you I get it. That's all. So just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.